See, the picture here summarizes the whole process. What happens in SPF? You have the vessel, what you see today at the Lautoka Wharf. The materials are stored in the various hatches or the hold. It is then discharged by the ship's gear, which are the ship's crane, these ones that you see, into the wharf hopper, which belongs to SPF. Each hopper has a capacity of around 15 tons. Then those material then comes into the truck, discharged into the truck. The truck goes underneath the hopper, brings it all the way to the SPF weigh bridge, gets weighed, and through the elevator system, the hopper that you see on the ramp up there, goes into the hopper, travels to the conveyor system, and then into the various bays, storage area. This is ammonium sulphate. It's more like a salt. Right. It is one of the ingredients that we use in our blending process. Like the three major blends that SPF supplies to cane farmers is blend A, B, and C. And this is one of the important ingredients. What it does is it's a source of nitrogen. And nitrogen is very important for vegetative growth of plants. This is the product that we were talking about, ammonium sulphate. Yeah. What happens is normally it's delivered into the hopper, travels to the conveyor system, and then comes into the bay. And what we need to do is to build up the mountain, so we can then have maximum in the bay. Each bay, we have 7 of these bays. Each can take about 2,500 tons. So this is MOP. Potassium chloride, or you call it muriate of potash. This comes out of Germany. This is called muriate of potash. It's the second important ingredient that we use in the blends. Without this, you won't have that good quality sugar that we make. Fiji is renowned for, So our product comes out of Germany, and the whole thing was wet. You see the roof's been blown up, so water came in. So now we have to rework on this. It has become very hard